cars are eligible for the team cars at the end as well, so close the gate, still on the road. Start lining up.
I'm just gonna jump.
I know, it's taking too much time. I got one just like that.
The Ford cars from Powder Puff, you're lining up next. We're just moments away from the youth class.
Let's go!
For this, they're gonna drive the park.
I know you ain't sweet enough to know.
Skid loader drivers, we're going to need you behind the pits. Clean up skid loader drivers behind the pits.
Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Little game of chicken going on here.
Skid loader drivers. Skid loader drivers. Skid loader drivers and skid loaders.
He's not a good, he broke his wheel.
Skid loaders and drivers.
We got a big bumper out there.
That bumper.
There's right front wheel.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Tristan is trying to rip it up out there right now. Get the track all ready. Here we go, guys. Count it down. 3, 2, 1. Go. It's gone. Powder Puffs, let's warm up. Get over to the gates. This one's almost over. No. Might have to put a wheel bearing in that front one to get it ready, but. John Hillier, Kirk Hogan. That's it. That's it. Water Puffs, get ready. Nice job, Sean. Nice job, Kristen. Sean Elliott from Kirkhoven. Nice finish driving right there. Here we go. We got some skid loaders coming in. We're going to keep them moving. We'd like to thank our sponsors of the demo this year. The Bird Island Lions Club, Renville County Hospitals and Clinics, Indy Cold Trucking, Big Stone Therapy.